How to change blade on Cricut Explore Air 2. Step 1. Press the open button. Step 2. Open the accessory clamp B. Step 3. Pull out the blade housing. Step 4. Remove the protective cover from the new blade. Step 5. Push the plunger on top of the housing. Step 6. Use the new blade's protective cover to remove the old blade. Step 7. Put the cover back on the new blade. Step 8. Push the plunger again. Step 9. Insert the shaft of the new blade in the housing. Step 10. Insert the housing back into the accessory clamp B. Step 11. Close the housing. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.